Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever worked on a long Excel sheet where your totals are at the top, but you're typing way down at the bottom? It gets annoying, right? You have to scroll up again and again just to check the total. Well, here's a simple trick to fix that. First, go to the top where your total is. Now insert a shape. You can use a rectangle or text box. Select the shape, go to the formula bar, type equals, and click on your heading. Now let's make it look better. Change the fill color. Set the text color and make the text bold and bigger. Next, insert another shape. And link it to the cell that contains your total value. To do that, select the shape, go to the formula bar, type equals, and click on the total cell. Now your shape shows the live total. Now select both shapes. Go to Page Layout tab, click Group, and select Group. That's it. Now you can move this grouped box anywhere in your sheet, even down near where you're working. So no more scrolling up again and again. This trick is super useful for large Excel sheets and helps you stay faster and more productive. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful tech tips.